Alright guys, Wes here with Restore Your Jordans and More. I've got another project for you today. My Jordan 11 Cool Grays. So come right back and I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, we're back. So here we have Cool Grays. Needs a little bit of work here and there, but not too bad overall. Couple places in the foam area. That'll be another project another day. But this is going to be the cleaning, and then we're going to put them in the ice box. Get the soles looking better. I already picked them out. I'll show you some before and afters later, but I'll show you what they were before. I already picked the rocks out already, but they're ready to be cleaned. So first of all, what we're going to do is take out the laces. Alright, close the side. So we have our water and solution. We use our soft bristle brush first. Put it on the uppers, clean all that up, and then we'll go to the midsole and then to the outsoles after. And again, first we're going to go with the soft bristle brush. I'll take the insoles out as well. Sort of, kind of. I almost forgot. Put my shoe trees in. It's quite the workout. Alright, we're going to dry it off, see what we have. Alright, the Cool Grays are done being cleaned. They are definitely clean inside and out. They smell so much better already. We're going to do some icing next. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you like what I put out there. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button down there. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Tell me what you want to see. Share it with your friends and family. Got a bunch more projects coming up, so stay tuned. Between shoes and house restorations. So, like I said, I got a lot of stuff coming up, so make sure you're on that notification. So, as always, I appreciate your support.